Hey guys, welcome to day 46 of 100 Days of Code. Today we've got a pretty special project for you. It's a musical time machine project. So what does that mean? Well, recently I received a mixtape from a friend, and the mixtape contained all of the top songs from the period of time when we went to school together. And it was a really, really beautiful gift, and it was a really nice way of jogging your memories for that particular time point in your life. This got me thinking, and I thought about how music can take you back into a particular time in your life, as if it just transported you. By listening to the same songs that were hits during that period of time, it was like as if I was being transported back and could relive a moment in my childhood. And you might have the same experience. Maybe there's certain songs that were really popular in your childhood that brings back memories, or maybe for a particular relationship, or maybe a holiday that you went on. Trying to jog these memories by using music is a really, really fantastic way of reminiscing and savoring some of your favorite moments in time. So what we're going to be building today is a Python time machine. Not the sort of time machine that might take a human back in time, but it will go back in time to find the music that was in the top 100 charts that was being played all over the radio so that you can relive that period of time once more through music. Billboard compiles a list of the top 100 songs. So these are the most played songs during a particular week. And if you go to charts/hot 100, you'll see it for the current week. But there's also a feature where you can change the date to any date in the past 20 years. So if we select a random date in year 2000, you can see that the songs that come up here, and it depends on your age, but some of these artists you might have never heard of, like NSYNC or Destiny's Child or Vertical Horizon. But if you listen to these tracks in order, then it will be almost like you've been transported back to year 2000, August 12th, and you're just listening to the things on the radio. This is how we're going to approach this task. First, we're going to use Beautiful Soup to scrape the top 100 songs from a particular date of your choice. And then we're going to extract all of the song titles from the list. And then we're going to use the Spotify API to create a new playlist for that particular date. And we're going to search through Spotify for each of the songs and add those songs to our new playlist. So that by the end of this whole process, we end up with a playlist that has the top 100 songs for a particular date in the past. So if you've got an anniversary coming up or a birthday coming up, this might just be the perfect present, where you create a playlist of the top 100 songs that was playing on the day that you met your wife or your husband, or maybe when you started a friendship or started a new job, and you can send them this playlist as your gift to jog their memories and remind them of that date in the past. So, are you ready to build the time machine? If you are, head over to the next lesson where you'll find step-by-step instructions and a lot of challenges that's going to get you to use all the skills you learned about how to use Beautiful Soup as well as the Spotify API in order to complete this project. So head over there now.